Here the question is a truck covers a distance of 150 kilometers at a certain average speed, and then it covers another 200 kilometers in an average speed of which is 20 kilometers per hour more than the first speed. If the truck covers total distance in 5 hours, then find the first speed of the truck. Here, let x be the first speed of the truck. The speed of the second part is x plus 20. Now we know that time is equal to distance by speed. Total time for the entire journey is 5 hours. Total time. So we can write the formula as 150 divided by x plus 200 divided by x plus 20 is equal to 5. Now solving this equation by cross multiplying 150 into x plus 20 plus 200 into x is equal to 5 into x plus 20. Again 150x plus 300 plus 200x is equal to 5x square plus 100x. Simplifying this, in the left side it's 350x plus 300 is equal to 5x square plus 100x, that is 5x square minus 250x plus 300 is equal to 0. Divide by 5. The above entire equation we get x square minus 50x plus 600 is equal to 0. Now we will get the quadratic equation. Now we can factorize this. We can write x square minus 60x plus 10x plus 600 is equal to 0. From here we will take x as common, x minus 60 plus here 10 is common, then x minus 60 that's equal to 0. That is x plus 10 is equal to 0 into x minus 60, that's equal to 0. That implies x minus 10 is, x plus 10 is equal to 0, or x minus 60 is equal to 0. That is x is equal to minus 10 or x is equal to 60. This value cannot be possible because this is negative, speed cannot be negative. So x is equal to 60. This is the final answer. Since the speed cannot be negative, we discard the second solution, and the first speed of the truck is 60 km per hour. The unit is a must, so you must write the unit. The final answer is speed is equal to 60 km per hour. That's all in this video, dear children. Thank you. Stay tuned for the next video.
Need 100 by 100 in maths? Join the Samacheer Kalvi Guide. We provide online classes and concept-based videos for class 10 and 12. Need 100 by 100 in maths? Join the Samacheer Kalvi Guide. We provide online classes and concept-based videos for class 10 and 12.